Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how easy it is to use Memrise to learn languages. So let's head over to Google Play Store. As you can see, I have done that already, but before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified every time when I post a new video. So going back here, type in Memrise. Here it is, the first one. So to speed up this process, I have done installing it on this phone. So before we open it up, let's see the features available. So learn to speak 20 plus languages. So these are the interface. As you can see, Arabic, French, German, Japanese, Spanish, and so on. Watch narrative speaker videos. Pick up useful everyday phrases. Improve your listening skills. Practice speaking like a local. Test your memory speed. Ace your learning goals. See where you rank, and so on. So that's the features available. So if you want to read all of the features, then head over to the about, and here you will see all of the available languages that Memrise provided. So know the translation of words and phrases, understand them when they're used in real life situation, be able to chat with other people. So these are the information or the details that you can read. Okay, let me just go back and open it. So right now, Spanish, I have selected Spanish earlier. Let's go back and then learn another language. So here you will be asked, I want to learn what language? German, Arabic, Japanese, Spanish, Turkish, Chinese, Italian, Dutch, Portuguese, Swedish. So it's up to you. So it has more than 20 languages available that you can choose from. So let's Japanese, I have selected this already, and you can start learning right away, or you can browse for more courses. There you can select or jump to the other courses. So let's just jump to Japanese 3, and there. So you can start with this one, and as you can see, this is in intermediate level. So I don't recommend this unless you already know some of the Japanese languages. So if you do, then you can skip the beginner class or beginner course and jump to where you want to improve your skill. So words and phrases there. Naruhodo, I see. Tabun, maybe. Ogenki. So furigana is where you can watch or where you can read it in hiragana, and the English translation is take care. In kanji, this is written here in kanji, Ogenki. That's how you write it in kanji. And then imishimasu. So there, that's how you do it. And if you try to scroll down a bit, then you can select, you can create your own meme here. But I'm not going to change any of these because it's the default one. So let's head back to this option here, this dots that you can see here at the right portion of your screen. This is where you can see the learning progress that you have done so far. So right now, words and phrases, I started that, and it will fill up this as time goes on. So review there, communicate. So I haven't completed this course yet because it's not that easy to learn. So it needs more time, and persistence to learn languages. You can also try learning other courses like German, then start learning right away. And there, plant your memories. So this is the beginner part, and then you can skip this part if you already know some of the German languages. So the same process again. The 3 dots is your learning progress. Here, this one, the profile, is where you can change your profile name. Here in the settings, you can connect your Facebook, you can edit your profile, you can select your team. As you can see right now, I'm using the dark team. So the default is this is one. This is the default, which is using a light theme. So let me just change it to dark mode again. There, dark mode. I like, it's good for the eye. Words per learning session, you can change this to 10, max of 10. Words per reviewing session, 10, maximum is 50. Auto detect, you can play along with this settings in here. The reminders, if you want to get notification that it's time for you to learn, then you have to turn on these reminders and then set the time and the days or the date you wanna specify. Multimedia settings, video, you can turn on this if you want to watch the video playing. Audio, auto play audio, you can disable that if you want to. Sound effects, so I'm going to leave that to default since it's the default settings. And download settings, only use Wi-Fi. This is where you can learn offline, so there's no need for you to, once you have downloaded the courses, then there's no need for you to be able to access internet to open this app. So that's how easy it is. And here is the dashboard, or the main. So here in the dashboard you will see the courses that I have learned so far. Spanish, so as you can see, 36. I'm almost getting there. Japanese, Korean, French, German. So all the courses will be available here. You will see the progress you have made so far. So if you want to share it to your friends, you can, or delete it, it's up to you. And also you can download the course. As you can see here, download course. If you want to download the German, then hit this download course and it will download. If you want to stop it, then stop it. Stop downloading this course, yes. So that's how you do it. And let's say you want to download the Spanish as well, then download and then wait for it to complete. I'm not going to do that since it's going to take some time and I don't have a fast internet, so I'm not going to download it. So that's how you use this application, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.